This, madame, is Versailles.
This is how the Grand Bal Masque in Versailles starts, so you know it's going to be a good party. In my last video, I already went through how to get your costumes, tickets, and where to stay, so this video is going to be a little bit more of a deep dive. If you want to watch that video, go back onto my profile and watch it. We're going to talk about what I would have done differently in this video now that I've gone. First things first, upon arrival, you're allowed to wander the grounds, and you can take pictures, buy some champagne, the fireworks show that happens just before the doors open to go into the ball. The grounds open anywhere from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Got there around 9, and I think what we would do next time is go a little bit earlier so that we can get more pictures. The fireworks show starts around 11, and it's so beautiful, but in early June it is still a little bit chilly at night, so something we definitely would have done is brought coats or a fur stole or something that we could check, because they do have a coat check there. If you aren't an extravagant or higher ticket, it's only €2. Most people wear running shoes underneath their dresses as they're so long. And one thing my friend Gemma said she would have done differently was just gone ahead and wore running shoes. As I mentioned in my last video, they aren't as strict as they are for the fête galants. This ball mask, the rules are you have to wear a costume and a mask. Once the fireworks are over, you head over to the orangery and get your wristband. It's a good idea to leave the fireworks a little bit early so that you can be one of the first people in line to get your wristband, because once you get your wristband, you still have to go and wait to go in. I'm going to show you the video of walking in that my friend Jem took. It's amazing. There's mermaids, people dancing. It's wild. We had extravagant tickets, which is totally worth it, I think. It was €400. So the entrance for just regular VIP was 215, and you got 2 glasses of champagne. We got our own private seating area and we could dance there. This is the extravagant area. That's where they put up all the food. They have canapes all night, and they started with poke bowls, and then they also came out with petit fours. They kept coming out with meat and cheese platters. It was amazing. So much food. They have unlimited champagne, beer, and water, and we even got a Red Bull out of them one point in the night. If you have a regular ticket, I think this is where you sit around the fire or on the stairs by the bathroom, and this is where you get food. Now let's talk about the entertainment. There was 3 separate DJs playing from the DJ tower, and then every 45 minutes a new act would come out, and they would completely rebuild the stage for each act. They're meant to represent different countries around the world, different areas, so Asia, Africa, North America, and then we would go and watch a show, which was really fun. I do love a good fire, so next time I go back, I'll spend more time there. Fun dancing with my friends, drinking good champagne, eating good food. Really nice and extravagant area. We had our own bathrooms and our own lounging area. This is the stage that they set up, and they changed it every time. Such a great experience. And it wasn't bad getting to see the Eiffel Tower first thing in the morning. Will you go in 2025? Let me know if you have any questions.